In our final trade of the day, TD Ameritrade's Shawn Cruz joins me now for a look at his hot stock picks for 2018. Shawn, happy to have you on the show today.
Great, thanks for having me.
Let's take a look at Micron Technologies. Never a loss for a trade here, always tends to be active. Do you think they're bullish or bearish on this stock?
So Micron, it's a very popular name for our clients. Going into the end of 2017, we actually saw some pretty bullish positions being established. So that indicates that some traders are expecting that upward trend that we've been seeing in IT for all of 2017. They expect that to continue into 2018.
So the chips will be big again and used in a lot of technology products.
And they expect that to just be a trend that continues.
Now, a lot of people have their eyes on Europe as well, and you're watching a euro trade here.
Yes. So I think a lot of people looking into 2018 are looking at what central banks are going to be doing. They had a little bit of news that the ECB might be tightening policy, and if so, they maybe expect that to cause equities to come in a little bit. And we did see some pretty large bearish trades being established in EFA. So they were shorting stock, and then they were also selling puts on top of that. So a little bit of a reverse buy-right strategy from the traditional long stock short call. This one's a little bit more bearish.
Copper has had a big run up, and there's a way to play that through Freeport-McMoRan. It's a mining stock. So yes. What do you see happening here with Freeport?
Yeah, so Freeport's interesting. I think this goes along with a lot of the central banks tightening because they see the global growth story kind of expanding across the pretty much all over the world into 2018, and that could push up commodity prices, which lagged equities quite a bit in 2017. So in Freeport-McMoRan, we've actually seen some pretty large bullish trades come on towards the end of 2017, and it looks like they're positioning for that rally in copper to continue in 2018 as we see that global growth story play out.
Right, for traders, it seems like copper tends to be key. If copper is going higher, it's being used in homes, in other places, and that means the economy is doing well.
Yeah, and that's an interesting play on global growth. It's an interesting play on just housing in general, which we've had some great housing numbers, and we actually see the housing supply in the U.S. tightening up a little bit. So if you expect more housing to come onto the market, they're going to need copper to build those houses.
Thanks so much for coming on the show.
Thank you.